The reason all of us are here today can be expressed in one word, and that's love. In the English language, we use that word to express our feelings about many things. A few years ago, Wesley and Guia were paired up in a wedding just like this as part of a wedding party, and a friendship developed. I know in England the expression might be mate, right? A close friend is a mate, a pal, a buddy, right? The point is that the two of you should become best friends or besties. It is my happy pleasure to introduce to you Brother and Sister Garcia.